India owes nothing. The US owes India $500 billion in climate damages. New research says so. A new study reveals the US has caused $10 trillion in global economic damage through its emissions over 3 decades. 25% of that the US inflicted on itself. India $500 billion in damages. Brazil $330 billion. This is not politics, this is data. But here's where India flips the script. In 2025, India's CO2 emissions grew by just 0.7%, the slowest rate in over 2 decades. For context, growth was running at 4 to 11% in the 4 years before that. India added 38 gigawatts of solar and 6 gigawatts of wind in just 1 year, generating double the clean energy of any previous record. India is chasing two massive goals at once: becoming a developed nation by 2047 and reaching net zero by 2070. And the data is saying it is actually working. Power sector emissions fell 3.8%, EV sales jumped 16%. Clean energy is now on track to cover all of India's new electricity demand. The country that caused the most damage is now stepping back from climate action. The country absorbing that damage is leading the clean energy revolution. That's the real climate story no one is telling. If you find this information relevant, hit that subscribe button. We track every development in climate change.